Working in IT has become extremely popular, and today I'm going to give you a list of 7 IT remote jobs that you guys can apply for, both entry level and for those a little bit experienced, along with companies who are hiring for these positions. If you're interested in working in IT, then continue watching. The first job on the list today is to be a remote IT project coordinator, and this job position pays between $15 to $30. The company is hiring for this position is Kelly Services, Tech Systems, and Insight Global. Now, what a remote IT project coordinator does is that they manage the schedule for employees and ensure that they have the necessary equipment and information and overall resources needed to carry out their task. So if you are interested in becoming a remote IT project coordinator, you can earn up to $30 per hour with this job. Next on our list is the junior software tester, and for this IT remote position you can earn up to $30 per hour, and companies who are hiring for this position include Testleo, Qualitest, UTest. The junior software tester basically tests software and look at review requirements, specifications to define test conditions and build test cases to interpret and execute moderately complex test scripts. So if you're interested in becoming a junior software tester, you can check out the companies listed before and reach out. The next job on our list today is to be an entry-level DevOps engineer. Now this job position, remote job position, can earn you up to $45 an hour, and companies who are hiring for this position include GitLab, Docker, and Puppet. Now, what an entry-level DevOps engineer does is that they work as part of a team to merge coding, test, product, and plan updates. So they help to deploy updates or fixes and provide level 2 technical support. If you're interested in becoming an entry-level DevOps engineer, you can earn up to $45 an hour with companies such as GitLab, Docker, and Puppet. So for our persons who are also in HR, there is also a remote IT position for you. It is called the remote IT recruiter, and you can earn up to $35 an hour carrying out this remote job position. Now, companies who hire for this position include Cyber Coders, Insight Global, and Corn Ferry. Now, as the name suggests, the remote IT recruiter help in handling all aspects of recruiting IT professionals. So they are involved in the entire hiring recruiting process to ensure that persons have the correct credential and qualification needed for IT roles. The next IT remote job position is becoming an online community manager. Now this IT remote job can earn you up to $35 per hour, and companies who are hiring for this position include Discord, Facebook, and Reddit. Now what the online community manager does is they focus on building relationship within online communities. They create, curate, and manage content specifically for online users and those who engage with online content. Community managers are those that answer DMs, review comments on social media posts. So if there's an issue, you would report an issue and they are the persons who will deal with it. For example, if you're on Instagram and you block someone, they are the persons who manage the online space community. Now if this is an IT position that you are interested in, then you can reach out to these companies and apply. Up next, we have the remote IT training specialist. Now this IT position can earn you up to also $35 an hour, and companies who are hiring for this position include LinkedIn Learning, Pluralsight, and Udemy. Now what the remote IT training specialist does is that they develop run training programs for various organizations. They will make simulators $50 to help persons learn how to use a program through training. So if that's a position you're interested in, then becoming a remote IT training specialist may be the job for you. Next on our list is to become an entry-level IT consultant. With this job position, you can earn up to $40 per hour, and companies who are hiring for this position include Deloitte Digital, Accenture, and Capgemini. Now, what this position does is that they communicate with various stakeholders from departments to hear whatever needs they may have in regards to IT needs. They analyze an organization overall IT requirement, and they also implement IT solutions to organizations. Now, if that's a position you're interested in, then you can reach out to either one of those companies that I mentioned before. Please note that these job positions that I mentioned are just related IT remote work positions. They may require some form of certificate or experience when you go ahead and investigate the various companies and the various positions, so keep that in mind. If you're looking for free certification, you can check out my other video. I mentioned a few IT entry-level certification that you can get for free on the internet, and I will be making an update to that specifically for IT, so you can watch out for it. Happy remote job hunting.